Picture this, you're enjoying a delicious meal when suddenly that familiar burn creeps up your throat. Heartburn strikes again, but fear not, there are natural remedies to offer relief. First, baking soda. A teaspoon mixed in water can neutralize stomach acid, but remember, use it sparingly to avoid side effects. Low-fat milk surprisingly can counteract acidity just like antacids. Make sure to opt for low-fat varieties to avoid worsening symptoms. Ever thought of apple cider vinegar? A teaspoon diluted in water may help if low stomach acid contributes to your heartburn. Then there's ginger tea, a known stomach soother, and fruits like bananas and apples that can reduce acid reflux. And let's not forget herbal teas. Chamomile, licorice, and slippery elm teas may help lower stomach acidity. For long-term relief, consider lifestyle changes. Eating smaller meals more frequently, avoiding late-night snacks, and managing stress can keep heartburn at bay. Remember, these remedies are for occasional heartburn. Frequent or severe symptoms require a doctor's consultation. They might indicate a more serious condition like GERD. So, take control of your digestive health and give these natural remedies a try. If symptoms persist, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Your comfort is worth the effort. Before we move on, it's important to understand why heartburn occurs. It's not just about the spicy food or the late-night snacks. Heartburn, also known as acid reflux, is a burning sensation in the chest, often after eating. This happens when stomach acid flows back up into the food pipe. Factors like obesity, smoking, certain medications, and even stress can increase your risk of heartburn. Certain foods and drinks can also trigger heartburn, such as fatty or fried foods, alcohol, coffee, chocolate, and citrus fruits. Pregnancy can also lead to frequent heartburn due to hormonal changes and pressure on the stomach. It's not always easy to identify your triggers, but keeping a food diary can help. Remember, knowledge is power. Being aware of the causes can help you prevent heartburn and make the right choices for your health.